Yeah, I'm just the entrance. I took the entrance, okay? Car Garden 1, Garden in the Sky, Sightseeing. Cactus Garden? How about the Cactus Garden? There. So, so pink.
What's up with the car?
I'm not sure. You wanna go inside? I wanna go inside. Oh, what? Look at them.
Careful not to trip.
I'm not gonna be doing that. No, 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 no. Look at how.
Yeah, I told you, be careful. Wow, those look sharp.
They do.
I think you gotta remove some rust so the body
Oh, these are 3. But look at how big it is. Somewhere. I'm not running. What is this dark guy with codes in it?
Matrix dinosaur?
You think so? Oh, look at this one.
Is it 3?
This.
Oh, this one? I think it's a 3. I didn't know there were 3 copies. What's up with this?
More than look. It's like there are ice creams on top.
I don't know if it's a bird.
The dwarves. I am not.
Look, one of them is missing. Well,
I think so.
look, there's a Joker, Elvis Presley.
I didn't notice that. Right. I didn't realize rather. Spider-Man!
Spider-Dino.
Why is it Bino?
I like those dinosaurs. That's pretty. This one is really cool.
Baby one. Right.
Yeah, I saw pictures of them.
I'm just gonna take a photo here.
this garden.
Oh! You want to? I want
It's looking very different.
to. It says the. How do you read this name? Gosh.
Dano Natures?
What?
Dano Natures.
Okay.
Well, we can just say raptor, I guess.
Huh.
Wow, this one is very well known.
It is.
Now that's a random dino natures. Wow, those are really
Cool.
whoever made them.
There are baby ones on that side. There are baby ones on this side.
Oh. I don't think they're
Let's go.
yeah, I guess we can buy from this area. I think it's more like the farm. It sounds pretty difficult to maintain, like with all the suspended
Mm.
like zero distance spaces to I mean, there should be
Talking about the one at the walls.
yeah, there should be a real line.
Mm.
No, mine's bubbles. I think. Careful, by the way, with the foaming water.
Let's move on this side.
Okay. How do I feel like they could fall on your head?
What is this? Temple Run?
Oh.
Dinosaur ahead.
Oh, they have more here.
It's actually good that they distributed it, right? They distributed the dinosaurs.
Pumpkin.
This is smoking.
Are you sure that's not a bone? It's not eating a bone?
Oh, you're right. Maybe?
Oh, I know that.
Hmm? So tell me, these are babies, right?
Oh, they're not. They're fully grown.
Oh.
They're like small raptors can found in the group. Where they will mince you, I guess.
Alright, found the missing dwarves. Why is it always... No, you're missing one.
Where is the missing one?
Don't know. Why are you asking me? Dinosaur ahead. What about this one? You'd agree the baby, right? Why do you keep on saying now? Look at the eyes. Looks cool. What's on that side? Piglets? Oh, rats, sorry.
Yeah,
Those are pigs, those are rats.
those are mice.
Why can't it be rats? Have long necks. What about this? What is this? Dinocephalosaurus. Hiya. Got this bone, the fur. Is there something else? Oh, look at that. Oh, what are they doing? Yep, they're maintaining.
One more. Done. Ah, the deers are really good. Good job. Where is the blue one?
The giraffes and their oranges.
Hmm?
The deers are orange. Well, I mean, that's normal, I guess. And I think it's the yellow one below.
An elephant.
Oh. I'm filming this side. I think it's better or not? I guess not.
Really have fun. Jose?
Uh-huh.
Well,
Wow, the LB.
let's take a picture with turtles from here.
You here?
Mm.
Okay. Maybe, yeah, maybe instead of bicycles,
Oh, look at the
motorcycles?
pumpkin. Something.
It's not a pumpkin.
It's orange. What is that?
I think they're different kind of
Hmm?
dinos.
No, it's not a dino, is it?
I think so. I think it's a dinosaur. Dinosaur ballet. Everything will be a dinosaur. Be careful. Let me see. No.
What's here?
No, let's do the toilet. I think we can go by.
Now what do you ready from here?
Yeah.
You hide and seek.
I'm sure nobody will find you. Yeah. What are these? Alright. What is this? Is it tea? Smell?
Maybe it's like a very special place.
I guess.
I don't know. So you should have food like this, food from the trees.
Maybe we can go back up. Let's go back up. Is an orange coconut.
Mango, maybe?
That's not a mango. That's
Look at how many birds are
look how orange it is.
Surprisingly. Yeah, don't know what the fruit is. I've never seen that before. Oh, good. That's cool.
I know it's watering the plants, but it's like the turtle is being washed.
Yeah. You said we can visit this garden in 3 hours. Really?
No. I said we only have less than 3 hours to visit it, to go around.
Because I think even the day. Wow, look at this flower.
Yeah, someone suggested give 1 day for.
Yeah, I think that's
It's not enough, right?
kind of awesome down here. Yeah, they are always bored. There's one thing that's
So that
wow, I think, oh my god. Wow. I think it's more fun.
nah, it's fun to do this. I mean, it's like a quick tour you would like for the bus. Oh, look at that so far.
Oh wow, you're right. Right. And there's a dude. Look at this.
It's really doing it. Oh, yes. Yeah, you can. Start from the first one. Start from the first one. It's like a
That's not the horn, that's the wings.
okay, fine wasp.
And they have shield. Oh no, she can't.
Oh wow!
Oh wow, beetle and stuff. Many insects. Careful. And ships. Ship was this one?
The colorful cockroach looking
In French, it's called the cop, but in English I'm not sure.
cup.
Yeah. It's called the same as the cop for
Those ones are beetles.
Yes, they are. There are also beetles, but there's ladybug beetle or something. Let me take a picture of you with the ladybugs.
These ladybugs.
Perfect.
They are more red below than.
Nothing fell, right?
You
No, you don't have to be careful of it. You do have to.
Okay, tell me what are these?
Hair, you know the ones that go in your hair?
You're saying they are nice.
Lice, yeah. Or they look similar to lice. Maybe, you know the trees also have lice. Oh. Here, wait, take a picture.
Okay, wait.
Is that the video?
Look. It's like each one of them are detailed. It's injured.
Oh! So I wanted to surprise you.
What is it?
Stop filming.
Oh,
To go down with the penguin.
no.
I think they're just normal people. Like the one you see.
Insect apocalypse.
I do like them.
I'm speechless to whatever they are. The music.
They have some.
Then we're going to that side then?
I take the picture. Last?
Was.
Yeah, this spot is better. Well, you can take a picture here. Careful with the. Oh wow. Careful, the bar.
Allosaurus.
It's not Tyrannosaurus. Allosaurus doesn't have horns. It has big eyebrows, but not horns.
Then maybe those are eyebrows.
No, it's not supposed to have horns. It's basically a Tyrannosaurus. And they tend to be very too. So.
Look at this side.
Gosh, look at this beast. Wow. Oh my god, we take a picture of you. It's so cool. Take a picture of me with this one.
That's the one, but it has a horn at its head.
Okay, this is not. This is Tyrannosaurus. Wow, look at the big one.
The biggest egg.
You have eggs there over here too, actually. Look at the raptor. That's not Velociraptor. Velociraptor is like a little raptor. Okay, $7 when you look at raptors in this. Spinosaurus. I think it's a bit older than the other Spinosaurus is a bit better than this.
So is this a T-Rex or not?
It is? Yeah, it is. Of course it is. Take a pic with. Do you want a picture too? Here is,
On its
here
teeth?
is the real Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus. Look at them. No. Put yourself like right in front of them. Look at them.
That is cool. That's really cool.
You want me to take a pic from behind?
It's really cool. How do you think you will capture them? Wanna stay inside the broken egg? There's a broken egg here. Uh-huh. So, seriously, where is it? You're confusing me. Guy, what?
Wow, look at the
do you think will happen? Oh, you're right. It's the Royal Pavilion. They probably sell tickets until 6 or something like that. Yeah, we only have like. Oh, I almost thought this was a frog. This guy.
I guess that's like frog ancestor or something. Why is it getting hot at the sun when the sun is already set?
No, it's really because we are walking faster now.
You might be right. What to see?
The sun, the sunset.
It's like a turtle's ancestor.
And the croco ancestor.
What? It's cute. There's the horn. That's the horn. Oh, dodo birds.
Oh, wait, these are dodo birds?
Yeah. Big versions are supposed to be the also. Many things are supposed to be big.
Yeah, maybe they'll check it. The bird in the nest.
It's called symbiosis. Wow, those weird guys are calling me again. What is this supposed to be?
I have no idea.
Hello? Hello?